Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to take the dome light out of this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a right angle pick. You could also use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to go in the front of this dome light housing, just pry back a little bit, slide it down, and then just grab it and pull it down. Now I'm going to disconnect these connectors. I'm going to disconnect this connector first because this is the ground one. You want to be careful if you have that still connected and you disconnect this one because you could arc it out. And then disconnect this one. This is the positive side. And there's your dome light housing. To install the housing, you can reconnect this positive side first and then reconnect the negative side. I'm going to slide this into position like this in the back and then push up on the front.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.